Hello everyone and welcome you all to Quick Solutions for All India Cash Test Series Medical 2020. Today I am going to take up the zoology part of the test paper, which is test paper number 3, code C and D in zoology. So let's get started with our very first question. Question number 136. Serum is, and the very first option given is plasma minus formed elements. And this is an incorrect option because serum is plasma lacking clotting factors. And what do you mean by plasma? Plasma is blood minus formed elements. So serum would be plasma lacking clotting factors. So the very first option is incorrect. Second option is blood minus formed elements. And this is what? This is plasma and not serum. So this is an incorrect option. Third option is plasma minus clotting factors. And this is serum. So this is a correct answer to our question. Our last option is blood minus fibrinogen, and this is not serum. So the correct answer for this question is option number 3. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 137. Read the following statements and select the correct option stating which one is true and which one is false. And the very first statement is ABO grouping is based on the presence or absence of two surface antigens on leukocytes, and this is an incorrect statement, because these antigens are present on the surface of RBCs, erythrocytes, rather than leukocytes. The next statement is, during first pregnancy, there is least chance of occurrence of erythroblastosis fetalis due to Rh incompatibility. And this is a correct statement. The next statement is, during blood clotting, conversion of fibrinogen to fibrin occurs by the action of enzyme thrombokinase, and this is an incorrect option because this conversion of fibrinogen to fibrin is done by an enzyme thrombin and not by thrombokinase. So this is an incorrect statement. Our last option is all chordates possesses chambered muscular dorsal heart to pump blood throughout the body, and this is an incorrect statement because all chordates do not possess this chambered muscular heart, and also they do not have this dorsal heart but they have a ventral heart. So they have ventral heart. And with exceptions like urochordates, which possess open circulatory system, so all chordates do not possess heart, a muscular or chambered heart. So the correct answer for this question is, first statement is false, second is true, third is false, and last statement is also false. So the correct answer for this question is option number 3. False, true, false, false. Option number 3. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 138. Most toxic nitrogenous waste product among the following is, and this is a direct question, and the correct answer is ammonia. Ammonia is the most toxic nitrogenous waste product. Followed by the next toxic nitrogenous waste product is urea. So this cannot be a correct answer. And the least toxic nitrogenous waste product is uric acid, as the nitrogenous waste are excreted in form of pellets. So this cannot be a correct answer. Some organisms like echinoderms or excrete amino acids, and this cannot be a correct answer. So the correct answer for this question is option number 1. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 139. Plasma proteins which protect our body from pathogens are, and we know that in our body we have antibodies which are immunoglobulins produced from the B lymphocytes, or you can say plasma cells, to protect our body from the invading pathogens. So the correct answer for this question is, as these antibodies are immunoglobulins, is option number 2, that is globulins. Let's discuss other options also. The very first option is albumins, and this is an incorrect option because albumin is mainly concerned for maintaining the osmotic balance of the blood and not to protect us from the pathogens. The third option is fibrinogen, and this is an incorrect option because fibrinogen is just one of the clotting factor. Our last option is heparin, and this is also an incorrect option because heparin is an anticoagulant. So the correct answer for this question is option number 2. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 140. Even under the influence of ADH, maximum reabsorption of water occurs in which of the following segments of a nephron? Now, humans, we know this ADH is a hormone which is also known as vasopressin and is released when there is fall in GFR or blood pressure or there is decrease in osmolarity of the blood. Now, irrespective of the presence or absence of ADH, maximum absorption of water always occurs in which segment of nephron? In PCT, proximal convoluted tubule. So the correct answer for this question is PCT because around 60 to 70% of obligatory water reabsorption occurs in PCT and some occurs in loop of Henle. Whereas this is obligatory reabsorption whereas facultative reabsorption is near about 10 to 15%, which occurs in DCT and collecting duct. So very first option is incorrect because here only facultative reabsorption is occurring. In collecting duct also facultative reabsorption is possible, whereas in the loop of Henle only some amount of water at the time of obligatory reabsorption occurs. So this is an incorrect option. So the correct answer is proximal convoluted tubule where maximum obligatory reabsorption of water occurs. So the correct answer is option number 4. Let's proceed to the next question.